open this gift?
Yeah.
And let's start opening.
Yeah. मैं open कर दे.
नहीं इधर से open होएगा. कट करना है पहले. I think we need to open up here. Well. Hey, not opening. This is too hard to open. Huh. It's sticky. Let's open this one now. Let's cut it. Let's cut it, guys. Good job. Now we're going to open it. First, I'm going to put this here. Didi, ये देखो. Wait, अभी नहीं. You know. Okay, let's do it. No, wait. Okay, now let's open it. Ta-da! We love it. Shubham, wait. I put it here. We got some these markers to create things, and I'm going to use this because this is so beautiful. And this is our sharpener. This is our razor, okay? So I'm going to use it now. These are the paper clips. Okay, we're going to do sharing. And what is this? What is this? Why did they give it? And this is a scissor, a small scissor.
No, it's either.
कोई बात नहीं.
Upside down.
Okay. And now we're going to start coloring. Okay. So let's put the page out and first we're going to draw something on it. Then we're going to do this, and then where is the pen for it? Where it is? Oh, here it is. And what is this? What is this for? A pencil. Or this is for like this. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to do this. How about you can do this sharp things, okay? So let's get the pencil. Here is it for you. And I'm going to choose one of those. Okay, I'm choosing black.
Come to the page.
Okay, okay, now we're going to get the page.
The page.
I'm going to take the page. Shubham? Okay, now first thing we go with. This is for you actually. Okay, this is for me. First thing first, we're going to do this, okay?
What I want to
I'm putting glue. This. The color on fast up there. Right? I'm so excited for this. Okay. Wait, you use too many colors. Oh, we did it. Wait, where this goes? Where this goes, Daddy? Where? What's this for? No, but this is for painting. This is for painting, okay? This is for this, like this. We choose this, okay. Like that, okay?
And Peter?
Yes, go for a second. Okay. Round. Wait, not the brown. I'm gonna show red. Red.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thanks for watching. So this is my new earphone. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Yeah.